My side, thanks all. Hi all, I am Prasant Thakre. Welcome in the series of AWS Solution Architect Certification Exam Dome. So in this series, I'm going to cover one question, and in that question is related to the like how you can save the data for auditing purpose, as well as in this question I'm not going to provide any design or more explanation. It is like that kind of brainstorming to find out the right answer, and it's kind of a discussion. So let's jump on the question. A website keeps a record for user action using global unique identifier retrieved from Amazon Aurora. So let's highlight the points here. So our GUID is already there in the Amazon Aurora in place of the username. So basically the username is mapped with the GUID, and in the Amazon Aurora the GUID is representing the username within the audit record. Security protocol states that the GUID content must not leave the company's Amazon VPC. As the web traffic has increased, the number of web servers in Aurora read replica has also increased to keep up with the user record to read the GUID. So here that problem is like that traffic is being increased, so number of read replica to reduce the latency and increase the performance, it is also being increased where the cost is involved, as well as number of web server is also being increased because of the traffic. Question saying that what should be done to reduce the number of read replica. So of course that we are not able to reduce the number of web server, but question is trying to say like that, okay, how we can reduce the number of read replicas, but there should not be any performance issue. It should be the performance should be the remain same. So now let's jump on the option, but I hope you got the question problem. So it is like that there are the user here, and there is a traffic is coming into that our Amazon VPC, and in the Amazon VPC we are keep on increasing the read replica because of increasing in the users because of the increase in the traffic. And on the top of that we are having the web server, and we are not able to reduce the web server because we need to uh, maintain the performance. And now let's jump on the sorry for the wrong drawing here. Let's jump on the option keep the username and GUID in the memory on the web server instance. So that one option is like that we can keep the username and GUID mapping in the memory of web server instances so that association can be remade on demand, remove the record after 30 minutes. So here if you are talking about the auto scalability, in that conditions we are reducing the number of instances, we are increasing the number of instances. So this is not the right approach because we can lose the GUID and username which are coming to that instance only. And that is the good approach that we can create one cache and then we can keep it into the web server instance only. Deploy Amazon Elastic Cache for Redis server into the infrastructure and store the username and GUID there. Retrieve the GUID from the Elastic Cache when required. So that is a good option that you can have the Elastic Cache where you can cast the data, as well as the Elastic Cache having capability to persist the data. So it will keep all the required data on the memory, and whenever it is not used we can just write into the file, that is the data will persist there. And here one thing is like that it is required for audit record, so you should not flush it. So B option looks good to me. Encrypt the GUID using the base 64. So there is nothing talking about the security here, so there is no it is not required to encrypt the GUID using the base 64. So this option is incorrect completely, so I'm just marking this option is C is wrong. And change the GUID to an MD5 hash of the name of the username so that the value can be calculated on demand without referring to the database. So change the GUID to an MD5 hash of the username. So we are not dealing with any kind of security here because already that username is mapped with the GUID, and we are trying to resolve the problem of performance. So here if I'm talking about that, okay, we are not reducing the read replica, it means it is giving already the performance, there is no any issue at all. So question is saying that if suppose we are reducing the read replica, then what we need to do? So it is not required that if you are doing GUID to an MD hash5 will increase the performance. So in this way you cannot achieve the decreasing the Aurora read replica. So this is the wrong answer. The simple answer is like that. We can create the elastic cache where we can save the required GUID and mapped with the username, and whenever it is required web server can access, as well as it will be persist so that it will be useful for the audit record as well. So I'm marking B is right answer and this is the wrong answer. I'm not having any design or other slides for these questions. I hope you got the correct